So friends, we need to take the base as the heart shape, because as we all know, heart shape is very aesthetic. So our container base is going to be heart shape. Now if you don't have hardboard paper, you can just do one thing. Just take some sheets of paper, means that sheets of paper also needed to be little thicker. Yeah. Then you need to cut into heart shape and take so many pieces of it and just glue it. Like this you would get a hard base for our container. So I always used to do this trick because as always hard paper, means cardboard paper, is not available with us. So whenever you don't have cardboard paper, just use my trick. Then as you can see, our base is ready. Now we need to glue these sticks in the vertical direction with the help of hot glue gun. Then again from the corners I am applying hot glue gun for its strength. And I would suggest you to apply too much hot glue gun, means glue in it, so the our base is very strong. As you can see in the video, I have applied too much so that my base is very strong and the sticks doesn't come out of it. Now I'm going to color it. And I'm using red color that would make it more aesthetic, means more prettier. Okay friends, comment down what's your favorite color. I have applied 2-3 layers of watercolor, then I have applied fabric color so that the color looks very bright. Once it's done, our next step is to roll the thread. Yeah. First let me show you how it's look, means the base. Isn't it so aesthetic from now onwards? Yeah. Look at my hands. Then you need to first knot a tie in one of the sticks. Then you need to insert the wool cross by cross, as you can see in the video. This process is little tricky. Let me show you how it's looks. Oh my gosh, it's looking too cute, too pretty. I love it. Then you need to continue the process. As this process is very lengthy, so I have cut the middle part so that the video is not too long. Now as you can see, I have almost done. My work is almost done. After it's done, just cut the extra thread after making a knot, and it's done. Now at the top, I'm going to stick white base to enhance its aesthetic look more. Yeah. Here also I have used hot glue gun. Once it's done, now I will stick ribbon, pink color ribbon, yeah, in the middle of the container. Then here I'm making a bow, yeah. See, my bow is done. Now stick in the middle, and then on the sides I have stick white beads again. And yeah, our container is so cute, looking very aesthetic, very cute, very pretty, and it's very, very, very easy. Oh my gosh, I love it.